Cut that bitch.
All right, I know it's gonna piss a lot of people off, and that's why I'm doing it. So, I know the piece to block off the intake on an LS is only about 20 bucks. But you know what?
Shit.
Yeah, built, not bought up in this motherfucker.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're gonna cut. We're gonna cut this bitch off
And see what's inside.
and seal it up. You're gonna have to ease out on that blade. It's dull down in there.
Like a whole bunch of copper.
Show them what's right there.
Plugged up already. Look at that. Put it right on there.
Already plugged. That's weird. $6 worth of copper right there. Holy shit! Wire house. What is that? Is it like a electromagnet type deal?
I would say so, yeah.
Weird.
Right?
And then just goop that bitch up.
Oh, you can cut it down a little bit smaller. So this way now we'll put it looks like now.
Fixed. That's how you do that for $0. All right, now that it's out, you can kind of see how it works. Obviously, completely flat. That way it'll lay on the fender, and we can clamp. It's the computer slides in here, clamps in here, and then clamps down. So perfect.